Hi guys, Nicola from Maxi-Cosi here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Mica. The Mica is our Maxi-Cosi 360 seat. The Mica is ISO, so it follows the R129 regulations. So it's had frontal, rear, side and rollover testing. It also goes by the length and height of your child. So the Mica is actually suitable from 40 centimetres to 105 centimetres, which is from birth to 4 years old. So you have real longevity of the product. When we're talking about R129 and ISO seats, it's compulsory for the child to be in a rearward-facing position until they're 15 months. So for a demonstration, I'll just turn the seat rearward-facing. So they need to be in this position to at least 15 months, but they can be rearward-facing in the Mica till they're 4 years old. The Mica comes with its own designated base and it can't be removed from the base, so it remains in the car. The base is built with ISOFIX points and it has light and sound installation, so it gives you benefit and peace of mind when installing it into the car. So a massive trend in the market at the moment is 360 seats. So the Mica is 360 rotational, so you've got this little grey lever here. If you pull that towards you, it rotates 360 degrees. So you can change from the rearward position from 15 months to forward facing if you choose to do so. Also, when you pull this button, it has a soft lock at 90 degrees, like so. So when baby's kicking and screaming, getting a bit older, it's not swinging around because it's got that soft lock. So we're really focusing on the ease of use for you as well. The Mica also has a recline function, so you've got this little grey tab here. Just pull that up towards you and it reclines. So you've got different heights that it can recline at. And the recline can be used in any position on the 360 spin, like so. So when you're rearward facing, baby can be fully reclined back. So as you know, the Mica starts at birth. So we've got this newborn inlay which we remove at 60 centimetres, which is roughly 4 months old. So to remove, we've got this non-slip grip harness, which you simply remove like so, and extend by pressing the grey button like that. You can also move the harness and attach to the side so it's out the way of the child. So you can really simply remove them. So you just attach that to the side and remove the newborn inlay. Here you can see we've got this really plush inlay, which is really cushions for baby's bum and back. Here it goes a bit floppy at the head, and that's basically to support the baby's head and stop it lolling forwards, to create as much space between the chin and chest as possible. As the Mica is suitable from birth to 105 centimetres, which is 4 years old, the child will go through different growth spurts. So you can easily adjust the headrest like so to grow with your child. And that can just be used by pressing in and pulling up. So it really extends with your child's growth. So what a lot of parents love about the Mica is not only the 360 rotation, but the technology involved within the seat. So if I just rotate it rearward facing for you, I'm just going to show you some of the technology involved. On the sides, you can see this hexagon grey shape here on both sides. That is basically G-cell technology, which is side impact protection. So when there's a collision, the energy is dispersed and it basically acts as a shock absorber. So most parents think about it, when a football goes into a net, the energy disperses and ripples, and that's exactly what this seat uses. So at Maxi-Cosi, we've gone one step and beyond with the side impact protection with this car seat. So it actually has 4 layers of side impact protection. So we're really thinking about the safety of your child. The 4 layers include a porcelain material, which is also used in Formula 1 racing drivers' helmets. So it shows the safety we've put in towards this car seat. We've also added a thick layer of memory foam. Another feature with the Maxi-Cosi Mica is that it has ClimaFlow technology. So you can see here, you've got this little vent, and that's basically every time the baby or the child moves, it pumps air through and out the back. So basically really controls the baby's temperature, especially in that hot weather when they're getting sweaty back. That's everything with the Maxi-Cosi Mica. It's now available in grey, graphite and black on the Natural Baby Shower website. Thank you for watching.